Hi, everyone. Today we are going to learn simple English sentences. Let's get started. I wake up. I wake up. Good morning, sun. It's a beautiful day. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I make my bed. Bed. I make my bed. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I dry my face. I dry my face. I brush my hair. I brush my hair.
I drink water.
I
Drink water.
I eat breakfast. I eat break fast. I drink tea. I drink tea.
I smile. First thing.
I drink milk. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I wash my feet. I wash my feet. I wear my socks. I wear my socks. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. I wear my backpack. I wear my backpack. I open the door. I open the door. I close the door. I close the door. I lock the door. I lock the door. I drink juice. I drink dark juice. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I walk slowly. I walk slowly. I walk fast. I walk fast. Joy. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. I stand up. I stand up. I eat dinner. I eat dinner.
I read a book. I read a book.
I go to bed. I go to bed.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.